Goan Egg Pattice. So first we're going to make the dough or the puff pastry. So here I've taken about 3/4 of a cup of plain flour or maida, added just about a pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to mix the two well, and then I'm going to add a little water at a time and just form a very firm dough like you would for chapatis or puris. So just knead the dough well. And then I'm just going to add a few drops of oil just to smoothen out the dough, and keep kneading it till it becomes nice and firm. You can also use ready-made puff pastry if you're in a hurry to make this, but this also works really well. And now we're just going to let the dough rest for 5 minutes. After that, we're going to use a little bit of clarified butter, a little bit of flour, and a rolling surface. And we're just going to make 3 rotis like this. So I've made the first one. Now I'm just going to make the second roti. We just need 3 rotis for this dough. And once the rotis form, I'm just going to add few drops of clarified butter or ghee. I'm going to spread it around evenly. Then I'm going to place the first roti and set that aside. And then I'm going to roll out the third roti. I'm going to apply the clarified butter, and then I'm going to place the first 2 rotis on top. Then I'm going to dust some flour, and I'm going to roll this as thin as possible. Then I'm just going to roll it up like this. Again, dust some flour and roll it out as thin as possible. And then we're just going to fold it in this manner and set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes to rest. Now we're going to prepare the onion filling. So here I've taken 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm going to fry 1 green chili, saute the chili well. To that, I'm now going to add 3 medium-sized onions that I've sliced. We're going to fry this also really well for about 5 minutes till the onions become nice and soft and translucent. So fry the onions really nice, because this is what's going to give the real flavor to this patties. Then I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, say about a tablespoon of sugar, and mix everything really well. So now they have softened a bit. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon each of coriander, cumin and pepper powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix everything really well together, and also add a little pinch of salt. You're going to fry this till everything comes together and it looks nice and caramelized. So now our onion mixture is all ready. Now I have also boiled 3 eggs. I will leave a video at the end of how to boil eggs. And here I've just cut the eggs up. Now I've just heated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and I'm also going to grease my baking tray with some ghee. I also have beaten up 1 egg for the egg wash. This is our onion filling. These are the boiled eggs. Now I'm just going to roll my puff pastry as thin as possible. And then we're going to cut it up into 6 parts, because we have 6 halves. Then you're going to place the slices. I'm just starting off with 2 on the surface on the baking tray. Then you're just going to place a little bit of the onion mixture. Place 1 half with the yolk facing downward, and just bring the ends together like this. And just flatten up the sides. And bring all the center together like this. So I'm just showing you another one. So in this way, I have placed the 6 a little far apart from each other, and I'm just going to give them an egg wash with 1 beaten egg. We're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes till they're nice and golden brown in color. Let them come to room temperature before you cut them. So watch the video till the end because I'll show you how to boil eggs to get nice hard boiled eggs. So these delicious egg patties are really great with some ketchup or some chili sauce, and you can make them hot again in your microwave. So I'm just cutting up one just to show you all the inside. So you have the lovely onion caramelized layer and the boiled egg on top. So I hope you try out this recipe.